everyone, my name is Angelica Jecklyne with the student ID 2024-104. So today, I will explain the implementation about intrusion detection system (IDS). So the practicum consists of two main parts, Portsentry and Cowrie honeypots. So the purpose of this practicum is to understand how intrusion detection system suspicious activity and how a honeypot can record attacker behavior. So first we implement Portsentry. Portsentry is an intrusion detection system designed to detect port scanning attack. So port scanning is usually performed by attackers to identify open ports and vulnerable surface on a target machine. So the first step was installing Portsentry on a Linux operating system. So after the installation was complete, we figured the Portsentry configuration to define which ports should be monitored. So next we started Portsentry service so that it could be monitor traffic in real time. So after that, we performed port scanning simulation from another machine. During the scanning process, Portsentry successfully detect that the scanning activity and generate log information. So these results show that Portsentry can detect unauthorized scanning attempt and help network administrator identify potential threats that at an early stage. So the second part is a Cowrie honeypot. So the part of the practicum was implementation Cowrie pot. So Cowrie is a SSH and telnet honeypot designed to imitate a real server. So its main purpose is to attack attackers and record every action they perform. So the installation process started by installing Cowrie and all required dependencies. Then we configure cowrie.tfg file according to the practicum instruction. Wait. Okay, so however, during the implementation, an error occurred because of configuration problem. As a result, Cowrie service could not run successfully. So although the implementation was not complete, so we learned the installation progress, configure steps, and troubleshooting technique for the identify configuration error. So if the Cowrie runs correctly, it will record login attempts, username, password, commands executed by attacker, and this log can later be analyzed to understand attack pattern and improve network security. So from the conclusion, this practicum introduced us to two important network security tools. So first, Portsentry is used to detect port scanning activity, while Cowrie is used as honeypot to monitor and record attacker behavior, and both tools play an important role in improving network security by helping administrator detect suspicious activity, can analyze potential cyber attacks. So thank you so much for your attention.